there's a miscellaneous. There was a miscellaneous file.
Yes.
And it's been closed.
Yes, it was closed.
So, if it was closed and they have not been charged.
Yes.
And
the investigations are still ongoing. That's what I'm
So when they took their items,
yes.
So why are they still keeping the items? Because
we can have
just a minute. If the miscellaneous application gave them the orders
yes.
to investigate,
yes.
and now the days that you asked for had been granted to the IO through your application,
yes.
now it's closed.
Yes,
but they're still holding the documents.
You know, if you can remember, the court pronounced itself
that
you allowed the investigations to proceed, but you closed the miscellaneous applications.
But the application was being done because of that miscellaneous.
And you know, I get that it's not the court that closed, it is the applicant who moved the court to close the file.
Okay, so if it was closed, then everything should then stop. Or
and you know, most importantly, the confiscation of the advocate's file.
You see, what I say,
yes,
law school still remains law school, so you cannot both stand as counsels. Those are things we were taught: professional ethics, decorum, etiquette. Yes. So, counsel prosecution. Now, if the miscellaneous file was closed,
yes,
because the court did not move itself suo moto,
yes,
and you are done with the days that you requested,
yes,
right?
Yes,
so it stops at that. Did you charge them thereafter?
Your Honor, my position is that there is no legal requirement barring any further investigations on the matter.
So how did you get the many things that the confiscation of the, is it titles, all these things? Which order gave them were they taken before you came to court?
The orders were for search warrants, which were done, but
so
investigations are still ongoing.
Okay, now for the what the councils are saying, the titles and all that,
yes,
because titles, like literally, it's a process and they belong to people.
Yes, Your Honor. Why
can't they then be returned even to the ministry, to the person who has them? Because it's like taking my court files and continue investigations, and these court files are not my personal files. They are, I agree, they are tools of trade. So why can't they be returned?
You know, I think we had addressed all these issues.
I don't know, I'm not remembering.
The IO filed the application for search warrants and seizure orders.
Yeah.
He put in an inventory.
So the seizing of the documents, were they indefinite, without any time bound?
Perhaps the court can summon the IO to tell the court whether now yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, I'm getting it.
Yeah, because I don't think the court orders were open-ended. That's where I'm getting. And if they are not, if they are documents, like now titles, you and I know titles are actually done at the ministry because there are people who need their titles.
Yes, yes.
So if that is what was confiscated, either they be returned to the ministry and whoever is in charge, because again, we'll be going overboard. Okay? So getting to my next question, where is the IO?
Your Honor, is not around today.
So,
He is requesting for 1 week.
No, I just need because this is not what I just want to know. These tools of trade, if the miscellaneous has been closed, then they need to get back to either to the ministry or to the parent body that they so exist. Because I can't say that titles, I don't know how many titles there are, but that should actually, there are many.
Yes.
So we cannot say that these titles belonged to the said registrar. We agree on that.
Yes.
Yeah, so that is all I need to know. Alternatively, then I can give an order that they be returned to the ministry and the said applicant. Because those are government documents. It's like, I don't want to use the word passports, but titles definitely. If they did not belong to the applicant, then they belonged to other people. So could I give the order that they be returned? Or they can be returned to the ministry?
Kindly allow the IO to address its extent of investigations. We come back on Monday.
No, I would want it tomorrow so that we don't procrastinate.
Okay.
Now that you've agreed that your office received and you've agreed that they stamped.
That's okay. We can come back tomorrow.
Okay.
You know, before you...
Who moved the court to be here tomorrow?
We must apply.
Thank you.